Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce study materials costs with Course Hero, full guide step by step clearly. To reduce study materials costs with Course Hero, first, visit the Course Hero website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once registered, log in to your account. Browse the vast library of study materials available. Use the search bar to find specific topics or subjects you need help with. Check out resources such as study guides, lecture notes, and textbook solutions. Consider subscribing to a membership plan for unlimited access to materials. Review the cost of different subscription options. Select a plan that fits your budget and studying needs. After subscribing, you can download materials directly to your device. To further reduce costs, consider earning free access by uploading your own study materials. Ensure that your uploads meet the quality and content guidelines set by Course Hero. Once approved, you'll receive credits that can be used for free access. Take advantage of any promotions or discounts that Course Hero may be offering. In addition, explore their referral program for additional savings. Engage with the community through Q&A to find answers to specific questions. Utilize Course Hero's resources effectively to enhance your learning experience. By following these steps, you can significantly lower your study materials expenses while benefiting from comprehensive educational support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.